up, YouTube? It is your girl Lady C, and I'm back with another video. As you can see, guys, I'm in the car, and I'm in the car with a very special guest.
Kendall.
Yes, boy. And what we about to do, Kendall?
Well, I'm about to cook for a family.
You gonna cook dinner for the family?
Yeah, and I'm making cookies for dessert.
And cookies for dessert. So what we having for dinner?
Tacos and cookies.
Okay, tacos and cookies for dinner.
Yep.
All
And
right.
I'm cooking it.
Okay, so what we about to do now, guys, is about to hit to the market. Kendall gonna do
Yo.
some grocery shopping, pick out all his ingredients, then we gonna get back to the house and get this
I'm
started.
getting some Takis.
You is not getting no Takis.
Yeah.
Golly.
I'm addicted.
No, you ain't. Don't
Yes,
claim
I am.
that. All right, sit down. Put your seatbelt on. All right, y'all. Let's get to it. Get a small cart. Get a small cart. The cart.
You said yes.
Why you tie them shoes?
I don't know.
Go ahead.
Oh.
Right here. Gotta get some tomatoes. Get some diced tomatoes. Yep, that's good. We gotta find some shredded lettuce. It's over here. Oh my gosh. Alright, no, don't do that. Stop. Chill. Don't do all that. You gonna fall. Alright, you see them up there? Can you reach that?
Shredded.
Up here? The shredded lettuce?
Yep.
Get them. Can you reach it? I get it.
No.
There you go.
No.
Well, I didn't want you standing on that stuff. Alright, what else do y'all get? We need some cheese.
Cheese over there.
Alright, come on, let's go get the cheese. Alright, we doing hard tacos.
Hard and
So you need about, wait, what you got? Which ones you got?
this one and this one.
You want that one?
Hmm?
How many coming in? We gotta get enough for everybody.
How much?
How many?
12.
12?
Yeah.
So how many can you eat?
2. No, 3.
You eat 3? How many tacos, how many people in the house?
There's 9. 2, 4,
8 of
6,
us.
8, 10, 12.
It's about 8 of us. So you need about, I like the Dorito tacos though. Can you get some Dorito tacos?
Oh, I want these for sure.
Get the Dorito tacos. Get 1 box at least. And then get another box of those.
Look, y'all. Look how good these look. So good.
Alright, get another box of the regular tacos that you got. Check behind that one. See if it's another family size.
Oops.
Oh, this one got the sauce in it already.
Hmm?
Move that.
This?
You see there's another one behind it? Alright. That's 24 tacos. You dropping everything, guys.
Hey.
What are you looking at now? To the ground beef. Alright. Boom. What else we gotta get? Cheese. Alright, come on. Let me get some cheese. What? What you running for?
Doritos.
Go do what you gotta do. We either do taco or Mexican, whichever one. But that one at the bottom got a taco.
2 or 1?
Just one. Alright. 2 hot sauce.
Yep. 2 hot sauces.
the hot sauce?
Yup.
Yeah, I don't like that one. It's not hot enough, right? Get the red hot. You get a smaller one. Here. Alright, let's go. The same one as that bigger bottle, just a smaller one. You don't need that big old bottle for some tacos. Thank you. Let's go check out now.
Let's go.
Let's go. Put it in the bag.
Where's, oh, I thought that's it.
It's on the front. You see that little one? Right there where your finger's at? The white side. The white side. Right here. Put that bag in here. Yep.
Scan coupon now. Insert coupon into slot near the green button. Touch the
Press continue.
button is finished. Your total is 47.
Alright.
Please remember to take your receipt.
Ready?
Thank you for shopping at Giant.
Let's go. You excited? Alright. Get your groceries home, man. Yeah, I put it in the trunk. You got everything you need? Alright. Here's the cart return.
Over there.
Alright, go ahead.
Okay, guys. This is me checking the stuff out. Here we have the taco shells over here. Here we have some cheese. Feel me? Boop. We have some more cheese for the secret. We got some sour cream. The cheese, it's for the secret. You know what this is for. One bag done. More taco shells. We got 24 taco shells. More. We got hard taco shells. And we have more taco shells.
Are you ready to get started?
I want to show them the last bag. And in the last bag,
Get started without me.
we have some ground beef. You know what that's for. Put it over here, because we're about to start cooking that. We got some lettuce. Right over here. We have some taco sauce.
Okay.
We have some of this
What it say?
taco seasoning.
Yep, that's what it is.
And the best thing of all, some red hot sauce. I love it on my tacos, guys. Try it. And I'll put that over here. And then for the last and only, we have some tomatoes. And I'll put all the stuff over here. Don't forget about the sour cream. So we'll just put the bags.
It's already at 350, so just do start. Okay, now that's preheating. So you ready to get started with which first thing you gonna cook? What you gonna do?
I'm gonna cook the ground beef.
Okay.
Let me just open this. What? I'm opening
Oh my
it.
God.
I'm
It's
opening
upside
it.
down.
No, it's not.
That's the sharp part right there.
I'm looking.
Alright, you ain't need no knife to open it though. But okay.
I'll
You don't
use
need no more. What you doing? What you doing? Turn stove on.
It is
Turn it
on.
on. Heat your pan up.
It's not even on.
Cause you gotta light it.
Ah.
Yeah, that's hot. Hold up, first, wait a minute. Did you even wash your hands? Wash your hands, man.
You don't want that.
Jeez.
Oh. You don't want that.
Wash them good, please. Alright. Good. Now you're going to put that ground beef inside the pan.
Juicy ground beef.
Mm-hmm. Watch your arms too. I don't want you to touch that pot. Oh, just like that, huh? Okay. Go ahead. Do what you gotta do. Oh my gosh. Throw that in the trash. Jeez. Goofball.
Goofball.
Alright.
Hey guys, we're back. It's fully brown. Y'all see that juice?
It's not fully brown.
It's juicy.
But you ready to put your taco seed? Well, wait till you drain it out. It's a lot of fat in there. That's what that is. That's all that fat. Next time we gotta get a little bit more lean and a little less fat, but it's still gonna be good. Fat be making it. That's where all the juice holds in. Yep. So Kendall, what you been up to lately?
I've been up to playing my game, and I've been thinking probably before you disturbed me.
What you mean?
I was thinking about like what type of dessert, but I just said like cookies. But I didn't want to really do cookies because when I saw at the market that you didn't want to get.
What?
The chocolate cake.
The chocolate cakes.
The mini ones. They're so good. They're good.
So you gonna have an attitude about
Yeah.
stop? Why you mess with the canvas? Check your food. Look.
heat went in my face because of you.
The heat went in your face. First of all,
What do you always do?
I didn't go for no cupcakes. If you was gonna make cupcakes, you gotta make them from scratch. But I thought y'all was gonna make the cookies.
And we are. And we have this. I told them about the cheese.
Huh?
I told them that the cheese is for your secret.
The cheese?
Yeah, the
What
cheese for
cheese?
Kayla.
What cheese?
That you got for.
I don't know what you talking
It's
about.
the secret.
I couldn't get it. They didn't have it.
I already put it in.
Oh my goodness, you ain't put nothing in there. What are you talking about? I don't know what you talking about.
God.
You surprising me with something? But you coming along really good, guys.
Guys, what did you get for Christmas? Even though it was a long time ago.
It was
I just-
only a week ago.
I just want to know
What you get?
for Christmas? I got a new phone because someone decided to destroy it, which was Zaire or Lex. Probably not Lex, but he was raging.
He was raging.
But it must be Zaire, cause I heard Lex say stop.
Well, it's okay. Bygones be bygones. You got a new phone, right?
Uh-huh.
Let
Let me show y'all. This is my new phone, an iPhone 12. Look at Benjamin. Look at him.
Mm-hmm.
So cute. No, why did I leave it in?
All right, we about ready to drain it.
You drain it now?
Hold on. You gotta flip it around, man, so your meat won't be pink
I
and
don't want to
stuff.
spill it.
All right, y'all. So he about done with the meat, and that's pretty much all you gotta do to make tacos is just meat and toppings. So
And taco shells. How long do taco shells take to cook?
no more than about 5 minutes, for real. Not even that long. You just wanted to get a little brown. For
So
real.
are you gonna be down here watching it? Cause I'm not.
Where you going?
Play my game.
You don't play a game. You can't
Bitch.
abandon. You can't abandon your work. Yeah, I finished the whole thing. You already ready to jump on the game.
Cause I wanna play Ultimate. If you guys play Roblox on PS4, you should play Ultimate Football. It is the best game. And shout out to Royal Philly, bro. I subscribe to y'all every day, bro. I love you. Guys, don't forget, do not pour it all in one spot.
Mm-hmm.
Because how are you going to separate if it's in that one spot?
But don't make a mess of it. Like, don't get it just get it in the pot. But you look like you know what you're doing. Alright, one more thing you're gonna put in there. You see that sauce? You're gonna put that in there too. The whole bottle. You know how to open it? Find the part that has a little slit. It was like the little did they got it on there? Nope, they ain't got it on there, so you're gonna have to just wind it around. Alright. There you go. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah, put that whole bottle in there. Don't nobody like no dry taco. Mhm. Who that is? Hey, Kayla.
Hi.
Pour the whole thing in there.
Don't always pour in one spot, Mom.
That's the longest pour process I've ever seen.
Because I'm drizzling it.
You about to mix it up though.
Yeah.
Alright.
Mom, you trying it too?
Huh?
You trying my tacos too?
Yeah, that's why I wanted the Dorito tacos. They my favorite.
I'm gonna make them special.
Hmm?
Never.
It's starting to form a little bit. It's grease. Set it all in there. Watch it, don't touch the thing. Yep. Mm-hmm. That's good, that's good. Oh, shucks now. Give it to him. Give it to him. Ooh. Yeah. Be careful. It's really, really hot. So go in there and grab it with that hand. You got it? Be careful. Next time don't put it in so far. Move this out your way. You got a good grip so you can put it right up here. Look at that. Nice and golden tacos. Now they're gonna be hot, okay?
Leave it, keep hitting.
Yeah, because that's good. We'll turn it off in a sec. There's little golden tacos. Alright, you ready to dress up some tacos? For me?
Hey,
Kayla and
y'all.
Khalil could try it.
This for my mom, my sister, and my brother. I love y'all.
Oh, we love you too, buddy.
I especially love Khalil.
Your brother. Oh. Alright, come on.
Okay.
Alright, you got everything you need over here?
So
That's all his toppings.
Wait, should I see if
I don't think Khalil wants
hot sauce?
yeah.
I'm not
Put it
gonna
on
give him
yours.
hot sauce.
You gotta put 3 tacos on there. You gonna put the shell on there before the meat? I mean, like, how you about to do this?
I don't know. Anyway.
Put the shell on the plate. Put 3 tacos on there. Make 3 tacos so that we can try it. Oh my gosh.
I have a smaller cup of that.
Okay.
Can you just hold it up?
Sure. Alright, put some meat on there.
Small spoon. I trust you.
You want me to be on this side or the other side? Because I feel like I'm...
Other side. Other side.
Hold on, I wasn't prepared to hold this. Give me a second. Hold on, let me sit this down. Hold on, guys. He need me as his helper.
I need my mommy to hold it.
Alright. Bam. That's good. Put some on the next taco because you got to make room for your toppings. And boom, go to the next one. Ooh, I touched the pan. That's hot.
Don't touch the pan, mommy. Don't want you to get hurt.
Alright, that's enough meat. Spread it all out. Eat little tacos. You don't got stuffing with the meat. You gotta make sure you got room for everything else. Alright, good. Get the tongs for me. We want sour cream. We want everything except for hot sauce. So sour cream. That one is open. Yeah.
No, Benjamin.
Put a little sour cream on that. Don't overdo the sour cream though. You get it.
Oh.
Go ahead, keep going. Do what you do. Alright, go to the next. Boom. Boom. Use your tongs for your tomatoes. Oh, we almost forgot the cheese. Not too much. That's a lot. Okay. Yeah, spread it out. Alright, okay. Alright, you for the taco
What?
crush. Everybody got their taco? Get your taco, get your taco. This is our taco right here, guys. And you got the one I wanted. No, take it. It's all the same. Alright, y'all. Y'all ready? Kendall? Alright, we getting ready to try your taco out.
No. Wait.
Hmm?
Oh, hey, bro.
It's good.
Leo?
Uh-huh.
Better than Taco Bell. 10 out of 10. Actually, 100 out of 100. Better.
You know that means 0? But you can't go over 10.
What you putting on yours?
Everything?
Don't feel bad, guys.
Hmm?
You say I can't go over 100.
Yeah. No, you can't go over 10.
Baby, like drop something for me, please.
I'll give you some meat, Ninja.
Alright, y'all. Come do the eyes and taco, huh?
It was really good.
Was that? Alright, cause everybody likes the taco.
Nah, I thought that was say that I need to make these more often.
I want some more.
One taco
I think it was
sauce.
really good.
Yeah.
You want more?
Alright, that's the end of this video, guys. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe. I said subscribe.
Smash the like button, guys.
Smash the like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button, guys. Get this video to 10,000 likes, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And yeah, see y'all in the next video.
Things are done.
Yo, I forgot about the dessert, and he did not let me forget about dessert. So we're back for dessert. And no, we're not baking any cookies tonight because we don't have a special ingredient that we need. However,
We are gonna be.
I think I have. Why are you doing that? For what? What are you doing? Goofy?
Yeah,
So,
I'm goofy.
we're going to just have some ice cream. And in this freezer, we have some vanilla and chocolate.
And there's no
Turkey
vanilla.
Hill. You ate the vanilla
No.
already?
Some people did.
Well, it's either this, hold this.
Or we go
Jeez.
to the store.
No, I'm not going to bake out.
You just said it.
Or the
I'm
other vanilla,
I'm not eating that peanut
butter
butter.
pecan.
I'm not eating that. No.
So, which one you want? Because I'm not going back out. Well, go ahead and make your ice cream. You wanted it.
Where's the cone?
You need an ice cream cone too? Look. I was done. I was ready to be done. I'm not, no. Y'all, no. This was a lot. This took too long for me. There's too many people in this house that gotta eat. He did a great job, by the way, but I'm not going back out to the store. It is, look, even Benji over there waiting. He like, feed me, I'm next. So, no. I'm sorry. We can have the video of cookie making in the next video, okay? But we're not going to do that tonight. So, you either eat the ice cream, sir. You want to eat the ice cream?
I'm eating all the chocolate.
Okay. So, he going to satisfy his dessert craving with some chocolate, and that is going to be it, okay? All right.
Wait, why are you getting the special ingredient out?
You done talking about it?
No. Yes.
Thank you. Alright. Yeah, y'all sure did. Oh, see, look, your alarm
That's
going
not
off.
my alarm.
Your alarm going off. It's time.
That's
It's
my
Kendall's
shower.
bedtime.
That's my shower. That's my shower.
Mm-hmm.
It's my shower, Mom.
Alright. You having a hard time making your scoops?
I want 10 scoops.
Did you enjoy making the tacos? At least?
Heck yeah.
What did you learn?
I learned how to make tacos. It was my first time.
And Kayla over there smashing them Dorito tacos. They good, ain't they?
Please don't put the camera over here.
What? They ain't get to see us eat the Doritos. Show
Put
them
the
the,
camera, no.
show 'em the Dorito taco. Yeah.
I'm not eat. I'm just hungry.
Mhm.
I give you a good solid.
Y'all lucky. Y'all gonna make chicken salad today. So Kendall wanting to cook tacos.
No, I wanted you to make chicken
We
salad.
should do this tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday.
Oh,
Maybe we
Taco
gotta
Tuesday.
have-
Oh, don't think I ain't watching you. I'm watching how many scoops you get, and that's the last. Like one more good scoop, and that's it.
Why you like my scoop
Oh,
bag?
you gonna make it a real good scoop,
Why you
huh?
like my scoop bag?
I do. I do. Mhm.
Yeah.
Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was a lot
Please,
of work.
guys, but since we did all this work, please, pretty please subscribe. Please.
It's more like 37. Like, they just keep
Look,
coming.
now,
They just
look.
Okay, go ahead and eat. What are you trying to show him here? I didn't know you was trying
Look.
to show him something.
Look what he doing.
You trying to eat his food?
Look what he doing. Wait, smashing it
I
too.
look everywhere, like literally.
Okay.
All right, guys. It's a long night. It's a wrap. So, until the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all y'all. Stop being extra. See? I'm done for the night. Good night.